here's the scary thing for every e-commerce company and retailer in China is that, for example, if you're having your factory help do some of the sorting to sell on, Amazon, some of the FBA prep, then that factory is understanding how to actually sell on Amazon directly. And so literally, I mean, every factory we talk to asks, hey, can we start selling directly to consumers in America? Because they see the margin that they're making compared to the margin that you're making as an e-commerce company, and they're blown away by what these American consumers are willing to pay for these products. And so there's a huge trend towards factories selling direct through marketplaces like Amazon. That will continue to be a trend, but what's going to set you apart is going to be your designs and your brand. You've got to establish that brand equity, and especially on marketplaces like Amazon or even platforms like Shopify, where your brand is what's going to enable you to charge a premium, and it's going to be what enables you to actually protect your product. Because a lot of these products that you're selling, it's not going to be worth getting a patent for, and a lot of times you can't even get a patent for. So what sets you apart is your brand, and brands can be protected through trademarks. Design patents could be an option as well. But at the end of the day, brand equity is what's going to get you to become a 7, 8, 9-figure company. It's not going to be, oh, this is a special product. Look at like those. I'll give you an example. Those fidget spinners. I knew the guys that literally were some of the first importers of those spinners. The first few months, they were doing $350,000 a month, and all of a sudden, the market got flooded. They went from doing mid 6 figures to low 5 figures in literally a matter of a month because they couldn't compete on price, and the market was flooded. They had developed a bit of a brand and a sales channel, but at the end of the day, when the market's being flooded by products that aren't protected, you aren't going to be able to sustain yourself. And so it's something to be aware of, where if you don't really go out there and develop a brand, then it's going to be harder and harder to last longer term. So pretty much, all the 8-figure stores that we deal with through Sourcify have developed, premium brands that they can charge a good price for their products for.